In front of me is HMD Skyline, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to launch an app called Files. If you can't find it on your device, you need to open Play Store and download it. It's from Google Developer. When you're ready, launch it. And if you never used it before, hit Continue. Then tap on gray switcher next to Allow access to manage all files. And last but not least, tap on Downloads under Categories. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!